Hello, my name is Olga Smola. I'm a violin faculty at the University of Nebraska at Omaha, and I'm going to help you today with Danse Arabe by Tchaikovsky for your NMEA all-state session. First, I will play this excerpt for you. So what are the difficulties in this small excerpt? The tempo is pretty slow, but at the same time it's written molto espressiva, what means you need to pay big attention to your sound and quality of non-stoppable vibrato. It's important. So when you have the beginning of this motive, be sure that even if you start at the, of course you need to start above and near the tip, but be sure that your sound is not like this above the string. So be sure that it's pretty deep. And start to make your vibrato constant without any stops. Try to have it all the time in your left hand. And when we have dots above the notes, it's like a little bit da da yum, jump, and then you sit on the next note. So be sure that your bow like a little bit jumping and dancing as well. Up and then sit. And be aware where the whole melody line moves. We go to the accent on B flat, so be sure that you increase the amount of bow steadily and the pressure as well. For some of you it can be a little bit difficult to play quintuplets. I hope I call them right in English, because in Russian it calls quintol. So it was difficult for me at some point of my life as well. So how you can manage this? I would recommend you to consider these quintuplets as duplet and triplet. So like two notes and then triplets. Ta 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 tam, pa 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 pam. In this case, it will be easier for you to divide and play in right rhythm. Also, how I would recommend to work on that, if you, for example, instead of quintuplet have there just 2/16 notes, how it would sound. I play for you from the fourth bar. 1, 2, 3. Very simple, yes? Tam, pa, pa, pam. Then instead of playing 2/16 notes, we just add, instead of first 16 notes, we add 2 30-second notes, and then we, instead of second 16 note, we play triplet like this. So I play for practice, and then yes. So in this case, you will know exactly when you need to start to play duplet and triplet notes. The same you can do at the end of this excerpt when you have a long da 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 dam. So if you again play instead of this just 16 notes, it will be like this: 1, 2, 3, wa pa pa pa. Very simple. Now we need to switch to what it's written: 1, 2, 3. Yes, and be very economical with your bow on this very last two bows, because you need to finish and you have the long melody line. 1, 2, 3. Thank you for watching.